Good morning, Miss Mandy. I'm Gantek Yeo. Today, I'm going to present the HRM, Human Resources Management. Firstly, the company I had choose is the Ritz. Ritz Crackers is a brand of snack crackers that introduced by the company Nabisco in year 1934. Nabisco early name is known as National Biscuit Company. It is an American manufacturer of cookies and snacks. It is founded by Jackson and Michigan. In the year 1934, Nabisco had introduced the Ritz cracker to the market. An employee named Stern decided to name the crackers as Ritz, and he also gave a slogan which is "A bite of the good life." In year 2011, Ritz has won the best perceived snack brand among American consumers in YouGov poll. Next is the job analysis. Job analysis is a process and pathway to study a job by determining the activities and responsibilities that included in it. It is also known as work analysis. Usually, it used to be provided the information to an organization to help them determine the best fit for their employees with the specific job. The HR department always collect the job analysis data from the incumbents to let the company can move better. There are 3% of marketing executives that our company will like to recruit externally. Marketing executive, marketing research analysis, marketing assistant. Firstly, the marketing executive. The roles and responsibilities they should have is initiate and control surveys to study the market requirements and demand. Create and form a better, high quality and intuitive marketing strategies. Organize an exhibitions, advertisement and communication campaigns and promotion, then supervise it. For example, advertising reach in social media, held a promotion activity in the supermarket and more. The requirements are creative and innovative, great time management abilities and have commercial awareness, goods in communication and people skill and others. Secondly, the marketing research analysis. The roles of them are monitor and predict the market movement and the sales trend, collect data and information on the consumers, competitors and market, prepare reports for marketing manager and present it and much more. Then the requirements are analytical, discipline, and high motivation. Professional in computer skills such as statistical analysis, good teamwork skill, and some others requirement. Thirdly, marketing assistant. The roles are general office duties, working with different types of software for digital marketing, identify the market trends and demands for innovation, prepare documents and other materials that needed before meeting started, provide the administrative support to marketing and sales department, and some other roles. Then the requirements are able to speak and write English, independent, discipline, and high motivation, expert in Microsoft applications such as Word and Excel, and good in problem-solving skills. The next is the external recruitment. Recruitment means that there is a process that involving the identifying, attracting, interviewing, selecting, hiring, and onboarding employees. It refers to a process that searching for the workers outside of the current employees to fill open positions inside a company. The external sources of recruitment have to be solicited from outside of the company. So basically, it is more expensive. First, employment at factory level. It is a source of external recruitment where the job vacancy application is displayed on the bulletin boards outside the factory or at the gate. Next is the advertisement. It covers a wide area of market and all of the people can get the information via the advertisement. Moreover, employment agencies. Our company Ritz Cracker can recruit the employees by looking some of the private agencies. This is because this method can highly find some potential employees in a very short time easily. We can see their profile before we decide to hire the people. Next is the educational institutions. We can hire the interns and entry-level employees. It is simple and saves more money and give them job opportunities. Then it also has internet recruiting and recommendations from others. Next is selection and interview method. It refers to a process that discovers the prerequisites and specifications of candidates, then establish the positions that suitable of the job. Our company will use 3 types of interviews, which are telephone, face-to-face, and behavioral interview. Telephone interview. The interviewee will need to pay more attention what the interviewer talking about and need to prepare pen and paper to record down the important things. That during the face-to-face interview method, the interviewee is getting a chance and opportunity to show the employer about their skills, strengths, and abilities. Lastly, the behavioral interview. It refers to the performance and experiences. The interviewee will need to try give the best awards they had get before in past companies. Next is OJT. It is also known as on-job training. Training can boost their productivity and motivate them. OJT is a kind of practical method to acquire new abilities and skills required for work in a real working environment. This method is usually used to let the people to learn how to use specific tools and equipment through a workplace practice, simulation, or training environment. It uses the existing workplace tools, machines, and knowledge to teach the employee how to work effectively on their job. In addition, the old employees who is already expert in the job will also give OJT to the new employees. This is because they need to do the same task, so the old employees will usually give OJT to the newbies to let them familiar with the task. Lastly, when doing this OJT, it allows the employees to gain their experience of working in situation that is similar to the real work. So in the future, they can use the same skills and tools and knowledge and apply in the job. Next, there are 3 sales incentive plans we prepare for the employees: team bonuses, commissions, and non-cash rewards. Team bonuses can boost their abilities and motivation to let their productivity can be improved in order to maximize our company's profit. They will work hard to achieve the target and improve their performance to get the qualification to get the non-cash rewards such as travel bonus. Okay, this plan can highly increase their motivation to let them work harder for company. Okay, other than sales incentive plan, we also provide compensation and training, healthcare services, and titles and rewards for our employees. The compensation is given to the workers that need it. For example, the types of compensation are sick leave, pregnancy leave, and others. We will also prepare the healthcare services and also buy the health insurance for them. Health is the most important thing in humans' life. No health, no life. Thus, they do not need to worry about if they get injured and no compensation while working at our company. Then the titles and awards can motivate the employees to let them to work harder. This action enhances their skill and abilities to improve their productivity. Last but not least, recommendations. First, we can do more advertisement to attract the people in both sides, which are recruiting people and attracting people to consume our product. We need to design the advertisement to more colorful and various types to let them feel attractive and come to apply for a job. Thirdly, the marketing department should check and analyze the feedback from the market regularly. This can help us to know the recent market trend and the demand of the market. This can reduce the market risk while we know if there is a problem and we can solve it as soon as possible. Second, we can have more bonus and welfare for the staff. This is to increase their productivity, and this will let them feel more satisfied with our company. In conclusion, as a HR department, it takes a really important insight company. It can create the job opportunities for the market and increase the employment rate of a country. Thus, every department should work and collaborate together to let the company can grow stronger and maximize the profit. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.